like, oh, that ween's driving me up the wall. That ween is driving me up the wall. Aye. It's been a while, troops. It's been a while. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Deborah and today I'm going to be doing the Scottish accent tag. So this tag was created by a lassie here on YouTube called Beauty Creep, and she created this tag where you have to read out a few words and then answer some questions about your accent. And I've also watched quite a few videos on the Scottish accent tag, and to be honest with you, see if I'm honest, I'm actually disappointed. I'm not mentioning any names, so I'm just saying, are you guys actually Scottish? Excuse me. Before we get into it, I just want to say that technically there isn't really a Scottish accent, because within Scotland, people that live where I live in Glasgow sound different from those that live in Edinburgh, those that live in Aberdeen or Dundee, and even within Glasgow, let's say if you've grown up in Govan, they sound different from those who've grown up in Easterhouse or I don't know what, Lenzie. So there isn't really a Scottish accent, but we get the idea, right? And also, everyone in Scotland doesn't go around saying,
I and no, alright, wee man, Stacey said.
I think the Glaswegian accent is the most memorable, it's the most distinctive. I can't really tell the difference between like someone who's from Edinburgh or Aberdeen or Dundee, but if someone's from Glasgow, I can just straight away tell, right, that's Glasgow.
Yep, okay. So the first one would be butter. Butter. Pass over the butter, Wendy. Pass over the butter. Heed. What's that on your heed? What's that on your heed? Doug. Is that your wee Doug? Oh, that's a cute wee Doug. Wendy. Who's that at your Wendy, Sarah? Who's that at your Wendy? Stupid. Oh, that's pure stupid. Stupid. Purple. Purple. Status. Status. What's her status? Status. Tatties. Tatties. You having tatties tonight? You having tatties tonight? The night. The night. To be honest, like people would, well, some people would, but I would probably say a lot of people would just say the night instead of saying tonight, the night. Oh, you coming out the night? Sarah, you coming out the night? Clades. What clades are you wearing to a party? What clade? Water. 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 Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. So funny because see this. I struggle to say this word. Mayonnaise. So I actually just stick to saying mayo, because funny thing is, I think my Ghanaian accent comes in when I try and say mayonnaise and I end up saying mayonnaise. I would probably say brilliant, fab, amazing, pure amazing, good, well good, pure good, stunning, pure stunning, well stunning, nice, well nice, pure nice, manky, minging, bogging, well, like the boke. Oh, she gives me the boke. It's like she makes me want to throw up because she's disgusting and she looks a state. All right. What are some of your favourite sayings? I have actually so many. So one of my personal favourites I would say is face like a slapped arse. She's got a face like a slapped arse. I think that's hilarious, honestly. The imagery in that, you know, the play on words in that. Anyway, I'm gonna stop. Also I quite like are you having a laugh? Are you actually having a laugh? Basically saying like, are you joking? Are you serious? Like what have you just done? Oh, that's a sin. Oh, that's a pure sin. That's a shame. Oh, that's a shame. That's a sin. That's a shame. Or else like she's fuming. Oh, Linda's absolutely fuming. Don't go next to her. She's fuming. She's fuming. Oh, Linda's absolutely fuming. Don't go next to her. She's fuming. Shoes that people wear to the gym and just walk around in, we'd probably call it trainers or trainees. Oh, I like your trainees. Oh, I like your trainees, Gemma. I really like your trainers. I would say remote. I would probably say, some people do say the box, but honestly, I would probably just say thingy bob, thingy jig, hang me. Pass that hang me over. I would probably just say juice. Juice. Juice, you would think would be like, oh, fruit juice, apple juice, something that has been juiced, but juice just covers soft drinks in general. So I'd probably say juice, a can of juice, a can, fizzy juice, a can of ginger. First one is your nana and your papa, or you could say your gran and your granda.
Let me know how well you think I did, and I'll see you later. See you later, troops. See ya.